Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about the overall crypto market, take a little bit of a look at how CRO Coin can reach $1, and just kind of give you my 2 cents on where I think we're headed here, guys. So right now we're at 9,770 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're so close, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. Guys, all in all right now, we're doing the same thing. It's boring price action for the overall market, for the majority of it. However, Crocoin is having a nice pump right now, but the overall crypto market is basically doing the same thing it's been doing for the past month and a half or so. And we're trading sideways. We're at 27,200 on Bitcoin, just barely below the 46% Bitcoin dominance level. We're probably going to be doing this for a little while, guys. But this is a new monthly candle open as well. Wasn't really a volatile move. I do think that we'll probably have like the next 5 to 6 months of sideways price action before we start getting some of that Bitcoin halvening hype. We need something like that to get a little bit closer to that big event for me to believe that we're going to have some big moves, or not believe, but to really expect some big moves, I should say. But let's take a look at Crocoin, because Crocoin is up about 3.37% right now, which is pretty cool to see. We came all the way up, but we wicked down from it. We wicked up about 5.5%, 5.3%, but as of right now, we are at about a 2.69% move from this daily candle open. So pretty cool to see that. I like to see a bounce off of this level here. I didn't want to see us move to the lower ends of this channel of about 5.5 cents. I didn't want to see that. I do still think that it's in play. I do think that we can get there, unfortunately. But as of right now, it's nice to see a little bit of a bounce. I would like to see this continue. If we can break above this 0.0625 cent level and continue, the wick stopped out right there. If we were to have a daily candle close above that, I do think that we'd be heading back towards home of 0.0689 cents. That's a very, very key level here of the 0.0689 cents. So that we like to trade. Crocoin loves to trade on that level. It was trading on that level for almost a year, guys. Pretty incredible to see that. But you know, be patient, guys. There's probably going to be some more price action moving to the downside. We'll probably see this 5.5 cents price level once again. We may even capitulate down below it. We may even get a quick move to say 5 cents even, and then a nice bounce back up and head towards the previous levels. But as of right now, be prepared for sideways and boring and to the downside price action when it comes to Crocoin. Be prepared for that. But as we get closer and closer to this Bitcoin halvening, guys, on the thumbnail, how are we going to get to $1? How are we going to get to $1? Guys, I really do believe that Bitcoin will reach above 35,000 to 40,000. The price range really for me is between 19,500 and low 40,000s, which is about 19,500 to about, let's say, 48,000 at the most, leading into the Bitcoin halvening. I do expect to see some of this, but as we break past this Bitcoin halvening, I expect to see a big move to the upside. After we have a big move, say we don't get to 19,500, say we capitulate down. This is what I've been calling for. We trade sideways to 25,000, capitulate down, bounce off, and say we start making our way to 40,000. And we make it there fast, leading into the Bitcoin halvening. When that happens, I expect Crocoin's price valuation versus Bitcoin to decrease about 30%. I think that your money will be better off in Bitcoin, not financial advice, over Crocoin when this happens. That being said, once we start trading sideways at this $45,000, maybe even $50,000 price range on Bitcoin, that's when you're going to be seeing Crocoin make some massive, massive moves. You're going to be starting to see Crocoin do something like this. It's going to start coming up and being very, very bullish. I'm expecting somewhat of a parabola formation to form. A big, big cup and handle formation. And I think that there's a good chance that when Bitcoin's trading sideways at about 48, 45,000, that will probably be close to $1. I do think that is very, very possible. I do think that CRO Coin will catch up. That's not financial advice, but that's just my thesis on it. That's my thesis on it. But guys, over on the S&P 500, I want to take a look at that as well because, guys, we're having green days on the S&P 500. People are feeling more and more comfortable with deploying their capital from the sidelines into crypto once again. It's coming in slowly, but there is a lot of money on the sidelines, guys. A lot. Trillions and trillions of dollars on the sidelines. And people are showing some strength on the S&P 500. However, I'm not so convinced just yet that I think that the S&P 500 is going to test new highs. I'm not so convinced of that just yet. We're going to have to pay very, very close attention to this. I do think that there is some significant chances of something like this happening. I'm very, very curious to see how that plays out. We're going to have to see what Jerome has to say in the next FOMC meeting. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. It helps us out a lot. Can't wait to give away that $1,000 when we reach 10,000 subscribers. We're so close. So close. And at 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away a loaded line NFT. And if you are a member on the channel, you get 10 entries each month you are a member at winning that load line NFT. Super excited to give that away. Please check out the description box below, guys. We have awesome referral links. $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet. $4,500 sign-up bonus with Femex. But that's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.